here, this channel, do subscribe for more video. You can learn and know English, even if you might be starting from zero. And if you want to prove, this is the right place. If you're new here, this channel, do subscribe for more video. You can learn and know English, even if you might be starting from zero. And if you want to prove, this is the right place. Niba uri mushya kuri iyi channel, kora subscribe kugira ngo uzajye ubona video zacu zose. Ushobora kwiga ukamenya Icyongereza, kabone nubwo waba utangiriye kuri zero. Kandi niba uri mushya, kandi niba ushaka kongera icyo usanzwe waruzi, turagushishikariza kuduteza imbere rwose. Ni ubuntu kuri wowe, kandi biradufasha nawe bikagira icyo bikongerera. Kora like, subscribe birakenewe, ni ingenzi. Hari abantu batazi gukora subscribe na like, kora ahangaha ubundi buduhaye iryo nota kugira ngo mwe mudushyigikiye. Learn English for free. If you don't know how you can make subscribe, like, share, and comment, this channel showing how to do it. Our teacher uses different color. Mwarimu wacu akoresha amabara atandukanye. Our teacher uses different markers. To write on board. Our teacher uses different markers to write on board. Mwarimu wacu akoresha marikeri zitandukanye yandika ku kibaho. Our teacher came late. Mwarimu wacu aza acherewe. I don't like smoke. Sinkunda itabi. I don't like to call midnight. I don't like to call midnight. Sinkunda guhamagara saa sita z'ijoro. Abantu bakunda kuvuga I don't like to call midnight. Ariko mu rundi rurimi rworoheje bavuga I don't like to call midnight. I don't like such music. I don't like such music. Or I don't like such music. Sinkunda uwo muziki. Could you tell me the truth? Mbibutse ko iyi kudu itandukanye na can cyangwa se would. Kudu ikoreshwa ku muntu wiyubashye, mbese uri kuvuga mwama. Ntabwo wavuga ngo ushobora kuma cyangwa se ukavuga ngo wama, ukoresha mwama. For example, could you tell me the truth? Ese mwambwiza ukuri? Could you give me a book? Ese mwama icyo gitabo? Could you give me some time? Ese mwama akanya? Time. I forgot to blink my eggs. I forgot to blink my eggs. Nibagiwe kuzana amagi yanjye. Nibagiwe kuzana amagi yanjye. I forgot to blink my eggs. I forgot to blink you pineapple. I forgot to blink you pineapple. Nibagiwe kukuzanira inanasi. Nibagiwe kukuzanira inanasi. I forgot to open my room. I forgot to open my room. Nibagiwe gufunga icyumba cyanjye. Ushobora kuba wibagiwe nyine wari kumwe n'abantu wagiye nyine ukibuka kutakinze icyumba uryamamo. Aha ni ukoresha I forgot to open my room cyangwa se ikindi cyose nuko bigenda. Will you come from Kigali? Will you come from Kigali? Ese uturuka i Kigali? Ese uturuka i Kigali? Will you need me? Will you need me? Ese uzanyenera? Ese uzanyenera? Will you come today afternoon at our home? Ese uyu munsi uraza kuza iwacu nyuma saa sita? I go to pray on time. I go to pray on time. Njya gusengera ku gihe. Njya gusengera ku gihe cyangwa se ngirayo ku gihe. I go to school every on time. I go to school every on time. Buri munsi njya ku ishuri ku gihe. Buri munsi njya ku ishuri ku gihe. He goes to work on time. Agirayo ku kazi igihe. I live nearby here. I live nearby here. Nuye hafi aha. Nuye hafi aha. He lives here opposite me. Lives here opposite me. Atuye hafi yanjye. Do you live nearby here? Atuye hafi aha. I was telling us how they called. I was telling us how they called. Nahoze mbabwira uko bahita. Nahoze mbabwira uko bahita. I was telling us how they called. He told me how they called. He told me how they called. Niuke ko iriya told ariyo yo ya past ya verb to yatubwiye uko bahita. He told me how they called. Yatubwiye uko bahita. Could you tell them how they called this place? Could you tell them how they called this place? Could you tell them how they called this place? This place. Wababwira uko hano bahita. Wababwira uko hano bahita. Could you tell them how they called? I was not sent to bring some money. I was not sent to bring some money. Sinoherejwe kuzana amafaranga. Sinoherejwe kuzana amafaranga. He told me to bring some money. He told me to bring some money. Yambwiye kuzana amafaranga. Yambwiye kuzana amafaranga. They were sent to bring some money. They were sent to bring some money. Boherejwe kuzana amafaranga. Boherejwe kuzana amafaranga. We are invited a guest in our relatives' home tonight. We are invited as guests in our relatives' home tonight. We are invited as guests in our relatives' home tonight. Twatumiwe nk'abashyitsi mu rugo rwabo dufite icyo dupfana. Twatumiwe nk'abashyitsi mu rugo rwabo dufite icyo dupfana. A few days ago, I was inviting the guests. A few days ago, I was inviting the guests. Mu minsi mike nari natumiye abashyitsi. Mu minsi mike nari natumiye abashyitsi. The guests were waiting me. Abashyitsi barantegereje. Abashyitsi barantegereje. We are taking care of it. We are taking care of it. Turi kucyitaho. Ushobora kuba ari nk'umurimo cyangwa se ikintu runaka. We are taking care of it. Turi kucyitaho. We are taking care of themselves. We are taking care of themselves. Turabitaho ubwabo cyangwa se turi kubitaho ubwabo. Iyo washyizeho iriya uniform turi kubitaho. We are take break afternoon. We are take break afternoon. We take a break afternoon. We take a break afternoon. Dufata akaruhuko nyuma ya saa sita. Dufata akaruhuko nyuma ya saa sita. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? Ukora iki mu gitondo? Ukora iki mu gitondo? What does he work? What does he work? Not work, me work. Akora akazi ki? Akora akazi ki? Where do you do in the evening? Where do you do in the evening? Ukora he mu mugoroba? Ukora he mu mugoroba? Where do you do in the evening? Ukora he mu mugoroba? May you lend me some money? May you lend me some money? Ngama ku mafaranga. Ngama ku mafaranga. Please lend me your phone last time. Please lend me your phone last time. Waniza telefoni yawe ubwa nyuma. Waniza telefoni yawe ubwa nyuma. Give me your phone, please. Give me your phone, please. Ma telefoni yawe. Ma telefoni yawe. Wibuke ko yishyizeho give me udakoresheje lend me ni nkaho ubutegetse. Icyo gihe ni nkaho ubuvuze nko ku kintu gisa nkaho cyakabaye icyawe ariko hariya